Welcome back. What have we got going on this week? We've got another 350Z, another one. Me and Baggsy picked this one up on Friday night after work. So there'll be two 350Zs to get built here at SB Motorsport for that tour. This one is getting driven by one of Baggsy's good friends. Today, Sam has got a set of ST XTA coilovers ready to fit to this car. So a bit of work to do to this. It will be having a service, coilovers, diff brace, a hydraulic handbrake, and another set of wheels I do believe we're going to put on it. So that is almost ready to rock and roll. This car did come with a plenum spacer and a tuned ECU and a full stainless 2.5-inch exhaust. So there we go. Our one, where are we at on our one? You see me fit the K&N. You didn't see me fit the K&N air filter. Well, you see a little snippet of me talking about it, that's for sure. But the full video will be on BaggsyBoyUK channel YouTube, this one, the one you're watching right now, very, very soon. It is a bit of an in-depth, funny video of me fitting the air filter kit that they supplied to that 350Z right there. So stay tuned for that one. It'll be online very, very soon. But we do have an issue. Car is running pretty rough. We have had a PO300 fault with the 350Z since we got it. Changed the airflow meter, changed the crank sensor, changed the cam sensors, still got it. So obviously we'd already been back to basics. We changed the spark plugs. We had another set of coils from our old 350Z, so we swapped those out, checked that. Still no luck, still misfiring, still running really flat, no power. So the ECU is going off to Mark Gillam to have a tune anyway, the rev up tune I do believe it is, and a little extra sauce that he adds. He's going to do that for us this week, but in the meantime I'm going to get into it and find out what's wrong with it. I believe it's got an air leak from the inlet manifold, so we will see later on today how I get on with that and what I discover. Apart from that, nothing else has really changed. As you can see, Monday morning, quiet. No one here, I do believe Sam has just turned up, so there we go. We'll catch up with you in a bit. We're going to get some work done. Sam, got the suspension fitted, and we've got some burnout wheels. What are you doing, Sam?
Putting some oil in it. A little bit low.
Stuff in. Just giving a little top up. You don't want to blow it up, do you?
No, no one wants to blow it up.
No. Sam doesn't want to do any more work than he already has to do you?
I don't mind work, it's just unnecessary work.
Making unnecessary work. Right, so Sam got the coilovers fitted this morning. Nice job. Smashed that one out. Next step is to see if it does a burnout, because they have a...
It's a braking throttle.
Braking throttle? It's not a braking throttle. Is that when you push the throttle when it brakes?
Cuts throttle under braking, so you can't left foot brake.
Which we don't put leaves in there, Sam. We don't want leaves. Right, so Sam's going to do a burnout in this in a minute, just to make sure that it hasn't got brake light disable throttle thingy-majiggy on it. Because
anti-left foot brake.
We have...
which has to be mapped out.
Yeah, it has to be mapped out. So we've got one ECU we're going to send off already to Mark Gillam at Abbey Motorsport. So he is going to do that. We're going to warm this old puppy up now. Sam's done the oily boy on it. She's a gem, isn't she?
That's good, isn't it? Ian's obviously volunteered himself to do the burnout rather than me doing it.
I'm going to test it quickly. Oh, it's mapped out, I think.
Was that you just bogging it, or was that it cutting throttle?
No, I think it might have been cutting throttle. Cutting throttle.
Well, I guess Gillam's got to
two ECUs to map then, so I guess we better put it back in the workshop and pull the ECU out of this one before we send the parcel. So while Sam was doing the coilovers on that, I was working on this 350, and we had a Sparko delivery earlier this morning. I didn't touch it, and some new seats, seat belts, steering wheels. What we got here, Sam? Sam got himself a little present.
QRTR. Rebuilt race car, you got new seats in there?
You definitely have got to have new seats. So in here, there are lots of new seats, and we have got over here with seat belts and steering wheels. These are the new seat belts. So brand new fresh packs of seat belts. The two seats for the 350, seat belts for the 350s, steering wheels for the 350s, all the seat belts and steering wheels. So that's a good order. We're now waiting for seat rail kits to come for the seats, so we can just bolt them in. So we're going to put them on sliders, because these two cars are going to be driven by multiple different people. I'll give you an update of where I'm at as well. So yeah, missing bits. So we did a smoke test on it, and it had an air leak on the inlet on 2 places. So we pulled it apart.
And the throttle body.
And the throttle body, yeah. So pulled it apart, and we're waiting for the GK Tech delivery to come, which is a plenum spacer, and we've got new gaskets on the way from Nissan. So hopefully, according to Mark Gillam, the reason for our PO300 multiple cylinder misfire is because we had an air leak.
So you've done the oil cooler
I did them the other day, yeah, I did them the other day off camera. Yeah, Forge power steering cooler. So made a nice little bracket for that. Same with that Set-Trab oil cooler kit from Hill Performance. So we're just waiting for the rest of the kit to arrive for them, the sandwich plates, the line and all the other bits and bobs. We'll have them fitted. We've also got a kit for that car. Nearly skid ready, 2 cars nearly skid ready. A little bit of work to do, but we're getting there. Oh, we'll see you soon. Right, there we go. That is the end of the day. Did we get done everything we said we was going to get done? Not really, no, because we was procrastinating a little bit, me and Sam talking, messing around with cars. However, Sam did do what he was meant to do. CU is removed from this 350. Sam got the service kit done on it, so it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. Sam fitted the new wheels to this car, now sporting the rotiforms. And yeah, had a little play with the spacers, got it sitting really nice. Me and Sam did say it's going to be a really nice 350 when it's done. We spent quite a bit of time today, me and Stephen, messing around, looking at body styling bits and bobs and extra stuff that we needed to order. So we've got that all sorted. This one, no real update, nothing really changed on it. We did get the gaskets ordered, they are on their way, and we are waiting for another delivery from GK Tech. They're supplying us with plenum spacers and a load of whole good stuff. Nothing else in the workshop's changed. Apart from that, good day I suppose. Oh, I did weld a diff today. For a 350Z. So she is super tight because she was red hot earlier, but she'll be alright. Get some oil in her, give her a little free up. And it is that time of the night when Sam plays with his Corolla. What are you doing, Sam?
Well, what am I doing? It's what you did.
Well, I'm going to do some work.
Do a downpipe.
Going to do some work on Sam's Corolla. Been a bit of an ongoing project for a while now.
It's been a little bit.
So that is going to be it. That's going to wrap up Tuesday. Tomorrow, we've got plenty going on. Hell Motorsport shipped some stuff for us for the 350s. So we're going to be back on the 350s again tomorrow. There you go. That's Tuesday, done and dusted. We'll see you tomorrow.
Just had a new delivery. Do you want to open it up? And
I'm planning a new purchase from Snap-on. Tuesday morning.
Yeah, new delivery, new day, new tools.
New day, new tools, yeah, Tuesday morning. New wheels, had a lot of deliveries. I don't know where I'm going to put these. I've got a lot of stuff in here, and
Done.
Filed. No, I'll sort them out later. It's already driving me insane.
You got a blade?
We haven't moved anything, as you can see. 350 still sitting there. But we have got wheelie boys. Wheelies. Let's have a look at these. Oh, it's like an unboxing video, but we're really not that professional. What are these? What model are these? These are CH133s. BBS coming with the quality. Oh,
and the blue centres, or is that just a sticker?
Sticker. Nice they are.
Nice looking wheel.
They're a very nice looking wheel. Let's
Stuck.
fully remove it. What's in there?
Wheel nuts and probably
wheel nuts.
Probably the valves.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if they come with the metal valves or whatever.
So there we go.
New BBSs. I'm sure we'll get them fitted to the 350 very soon. And
yeah, these are going to go on the black 350, which is Baggsy's. So we get some tyres mounted up on these. Make sure we're gonna need some spacery boys for these for sure. These have got like stainless steel lip as well.
Do they?
Yeah, this is like, that's like stainless steel.
No, it's not just a protection.
No, because this covering, this sticky covering, is what you get when you get a piece of stainless steel or aluminium sheet.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, do you know what that's destined for? Getting curbed. I love curbing wheels.
What's that?
Fast forward to the end of the Up in Smoke tour when this stainless steel lip is no more.
But do you know what the good thing about these stainless steel lips is?
They don't corrode like the aluminium ones.
Nope.
What?
When you curb them, you don't notice it as much because it's already silver.
I can TIG weld it and polish it back again. Right, so there we go. What are we doing today, Sam? Fitting some wheels. We're going to service this 350, get the ECU out of it, because last time you see us, it was last night. Sam's going to service it. We've got a belt to throw on the other one.
Front bumper off the silver one.
Front bumper off the silver one.
Same as what we did to the black one, coolers. And
yeah, coolers can go on this one. And then again, we're just waiting for a few deliveries, and then we're going to start working out what we're going to do with these wheels, what spaces we need and whatnot. So yeah, another busy day, plenty to get on with. Still no PS13, if you were wondering where that is. We're meant to be at Jap Fest on Sunday during drift demos. And how much work does it need, Sam?
It needs a little bit of work. I wouldn't say massive amounts, but needs a new kit really, new exhaust, because the exhaust got ripped off, new bash bars.
Yeah.
We've got some electrical gremlins that we need to try and work out.
Plenty to do. I wasn't in Oman for the 3rd and 4th round. My missus was ill. There was people asking, where was Ian? The people commenting in the last videos, the last island vlog.
No one was asking.
They were asking. They said, where's Ian? Is he left? Where's he gone? They missed me. No, I didn't go anywhere. I had 3 months off work. My wife was ill, so I had to stay at home and look after my kids. So I was stay-at-home dad for a little bit. But I'm back. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not fucking leaving! So yeah, anyway, PS13, hopefully it's back today or tomorrow. So yeah, it might be a mad rush for the next 3 days on this vlog, because we might be pulling our hair out trying to build a car in 2 days.
A few late nights, but we'll get it done.
We'll get it done, so yeah. It's that time of the day again, Sam, morning. Oh, it's a nice welcome, isn't it? Well, it's another day. Right, what are we doing today? Sam is...
Aux belt and power steering pump.
Yeah, we've got a bit of a notchy steering on this old girl, so...
Hopefully the hell order arrives and we can do the sandwich plate and finish off the old set rab oil cooler.
Yeah, get that done today.
Do then the same, you're making at the minute, aren't you, the bracket to go onto that.
Yep, mate.
Put oil cooler onto that. Power steering cooler, another forge inline like power steering and fuel cooler to go onto that.
So Sam's got to remove the rad though first.
No, it's enough to get it out. I've got the bolt out now.
Oh, right,
it's only the fan cowling, so not as bad.
Not as bad. You've
still annoying just to change the pump.
Well, we've got to take cooling out anyway, because we've got new Samco hoses on their way.
Put some nice, sleek black Samcos on her and
stealth ones. So yeah, Sam's changing the power steering pump on that. Hopefully we get all that fixed and done today. This will have its service then. Well, I say service, I say oil service, because
we've already done
the plugs. Sam's going to put the new belt on when he gets the power steering pump changed. We have got the gaskets from Nissan, some of them anyway. They arrived this morning. So new throttle body gasket from Nissan and lower inlet manifold. We are waiting for the mid gasket, which isn't here just yet. As Sam just said, I'm making the brackets to hold the oil cooler in here somewhere. So I'm going to get busy with that. We have got another K&N cold air intake kit coming for this car. So they wanted both cars to run that K&N intake kit, which will be back on that car. It's off at the moment because we had air leak problems. So both ECUs have been posted out. Don't really know what else to say. There's not really much else going on today. As Sam said, we're waiting for the Hell performance order to arrive. I'm going to get on with some more hole sawing, and yeah, let's get busy.
Little delivery. Some line sandwich plate. It's a nice sandwich plate, isn't it? Thermostatic and all the good stuff. And then all the fittings and
bits and bobs.
So yeah,
and the cooler.
Nice kit, yeah.
And the bracket. Just made a bracket.
Yeah. You don't need to make a bracket. We've got one, mate. Why didn't you just wait?
I've made one now.
That's nicer though, that one. You could make something that nice, could you?
That's debatable, isn't it? I think my one's better.
Nice bit of kit.
That's not as nice as my one. I mean, let's compare them side by side then. Of course I have. What do you think I've been doing in the fab room? Just sitting there and doing nothing? Compare them side by side then and tell me what one you prefer.
So the hell one's got it. Do you know what the thing that lets the hell one down that you've done?
The
Rounded
holes.
corners.
See? Yeah, see?
But do you know what?
It's not
Why hell?
sharp.
Do you know why hell hasn't done rounded corners?
Why?
Because you put in a square oil cooler on it.
Doesn't matter.
But the corners ain't
I
round on
don't
that.
care. Give me that. Let's go on the car. I'm going to fit my bracket. Sorry, Hell. It's a nice bracket, but not one I've made my own. There we go. Another day done. Wednesday done and dusted. Sam finished off what he was doing earlier on. Got the oil cooler from Hell Performance, the Citroën oil cooler, and the kit all plumbed in. New power steering pump on, belts on, job done. I've just rested the inlet on there for now. Don't get too excited. I didn't do that much work today. Did, however, get the two coolers mounted. We was about to start plumbing them, but we had to have a bit of a workshop clear up. As you can see, looking a lot better. Apart from that, not a lot else really to report on. You see all the deliveries, you see what's going on. The next 3 days are going to be pretty manic. We are going to work Saturday. We're going to have to work Saturday to get the car done. So a bit of a weird week. No, normally work Saturdays here in the workshop, but needs must at the end of the day. Busy few days. Let's see if me and Sam can keep this momentum going. It's all on us at the moment. For now, we'll see you in the morning.
So we was down at the port earlier.
We're at DP World Port in Stamford-le-Hope. Container is back from Oman. Get to get up really early today to come in. I don't like getting up early because I'm sleepy. So now I've got to unload the container, get the race car out, battered and bruised from a little trip.
So we're back now at the workshop. As you can see, we've got all the stuff back from Oman in the van and trailer. We've now unloaded the car and we're just assessing the damage because on the weekend, on Sunday, it's Jap Fest. So obviously it's Thursday today. We've got really 3 days. Well, we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday if we have to, and then we've got to go Jap Fest, which ideally we'd like to leave midday Saturday. But there's quite a lot of damage, so we'll see what time we get out of here and if we can actually make it. Obviously we've stripped it down so far and worked out roughly what we've got to do that we can see visually, which is quite a bit. I'll show you now. Obviously Ian's taken off the rear over fender. We've then got to put a new kit on it, or as much of a kit as what we've got new. Try and make it look tidy. I think after that Ian's got to do an exhaust and things, but I think we're going to film a bit of a Jap Fest episode, so I guess you'll have to tune into that one next and yeah, see how it goes. Obviously if you're enjoying them, like, comment what you want to see more of, and enjoy it.